Let's break down how to solve this logarithmic equation using the laws of multiplication and division. Our starting equation is log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x minus 2 minus log base 2 of x plus 3 equals 1. Step 1. Product law. First, we look at the first two terms which are added together. According to the product law of logarithms, addition outside means multiplication inside. So, we multiply x by x minus 2. This condenses the first part of our equation into log base 2 of x squared minus 2x. Step 2. Quotient law. Next, we handle the subtraction. The quotient law states that subtracting a logarithm means dividing its terms inside. We take our new expression and divide it by x plus 3. Now, the entire left side of the equation is condensed into a single term. Log base 2 of the fraction x squared minus 2x over x plus 3 equals 1. Step 3. Exponential form. To get rid of the logarithm entirely, we convert it into its exponential or index form. The base is 2 and the exponent is 1. This gives us x squared minus 2x over x plus 3 equals 2 to the power of 1, which is just 2. Step 4. Solving the quadratic. Now it's just algebra. Multiply both sides by x plus 3 to clear the fraction, which gives us x squared minus 2x equals 2x plus 6. Bringing all the terms to one side sets the quadratic equation to 0. X squared minus 4x minus 6 equals 0. Putting these numbers into the quadratic formula gives us two possible mathematical answers. X equals 2 plus the square root of 10, or 2 minus the square root of 10. Step 5. Final check. Finally, we must check for validity. If we use 2 minus the square root of 10, we get a negative number, and we cannot take the logarithm of a negative number. We reject that option. That leaves us with our true final answer. X equals 2 plus the square root of 10, which is approximately 5.16.